Hi, welcome to our platform. This is Lorena again, and today I'm going to show you how to use the gradebook that is part of the grading tool. Today, you're going to learn how to design a report by setting different parameters and also how to export those grades into a spreadsheet or an LMS. Currently, we offer integration with Google Classroom, Teams, Schoology, or Canvas. So if you are using any of those LMS, first we have to make sure that we see LMS linked in green at the top left corner next to your username. If you check that this is good, then you're good to proceed. If not, you would have to log off and then log back on by using your LMS credentials. Now let's proceed with the next step. First, we go to the teacher's panel right here. We click on grading. We have three different sections right here. So we'll click on the gradebook one. And right here, we'll be able to set all the different parameters for your report. First, we have to choose the unit or units that we would like to include in our report. I'll choose unit number 3. Next, we have to choose the class or classes that you would like to get the report for. I will choose group 2. Just to keep it clean and organized, I'll just focus on group 2. Then we have the option to choose from student grouping or activity grouping. If we choose to group this report by activity, it'll show us all the student submissions of that specific activity. If we choose to group it by students, it'll show us all the activities submitted by student. In my case, I will do student grouping. If you choose this option, you will have a detailed list. So other parameters that are additional that you can use for setting your report could be to eliminate blank submissions. That means that if your students didn't turn in any activity, those blank submissions won't be included in your report. You also have the option to include a summary. That'll show you the results at the end of a specific section. You can also choose from showing the assigned tasks. So in this case, whether a task was submitted or not, that task will be still included in your report. You can also choose the pre-edited option. That is an option that is good for example, if your student submitted an activity, and then after they submitted, you had them redo the activity, and you edited a page. That report would include those pages. You can also include a folder grouping. That means that if you assign several activities and you include those activities as part of a folder, those will be included. And the last option is for you to choose the beginning and the end dates for your report. So in my case, for example, if I would like my report to include all student submissions for the month of March up until today, this is what I would do, and this is what I would choose. When I'm happy with all my selection and the parameters that I set, I will click on Generate Report right here. And then I will be able to see my report. I will in the report, I will be able to see a page name, the student name, the class, the submission date, the correct number of answers they got, the total number of questions, the points they received for answering those questions correctly, and the maximum number of points they could have gotten if they had answered all these questions correctly. See, for example, I can see a submission date right here. I can see a percentage in this case. In this case, I can see that I got 4 correct answers out of a total of 13. So we got 4 points. So each question was worth 1 point. And the total maximum points was 13. So if I would like to export this report, I could download it using a CSV format. I could print the report, or if I'm using Google Classroom, Teams, Schoology, or Canvas, I can sync it. I can sync those grades to any of the LMS. So I hope this information was useful for you. If you have any questions, you can always send us an email at efl@ourstoryscape.com, or you can go to the help button right here so you have more options to contact us. Thank you for watching.